Now here again, one hour afternoon pick-up lines. Two great pick-upistas. Let's first call on the right corner. From Alabang, the Beast Group, Ganon. In the left corner, came from Makati, the great Master Vision. Master Vision. I'm Master Vision. These two challengers. To start this, let's have the traditional scout pick.
Pika-pika-boo.
Okay.
First Navy B.
Is your dad a thief or something? Because someone stole the stars and put them into your eyes.
Girl, you better have a license. This is driving me crazy.
Now, I'm here again. Hi. You must the reason for global warming. Because you're hot. Boom!
I hope you don't kick me out. Because you're taking my breath away.
Whatever.
More.
Yeah.
More. This time, boy pick-up. You're undefeated, right? Yeah. You start. You choose. You!
Can I go to mine?
You energy drink. You should look like Cobra. Boy pick-up. Okay, another chance, Danon. Please give some pick-up.
You're so hot. When I look at you, I got a hug. Guys.
What the?
Bakit?